Thank you so much for being here and watching. Today we're opening up Vellabox, my monthly candle subscription. This is the January box. I'm super excited. Every month Vellabox sends me seriously the best candles ever. They always smell so good. If you do not know what Vellabox is and have not seen my past videos unboxing Vellabox, like I said, it is a candle subscription and they offer 3 different tiers, which I like, so hopefully it fits into everyone's budget if you're a fellow candle lover. The prices range from $10 to $30. I get the $30 box, so in this box I get 2 candles. One is like typically a 4-ounce candle and the other is an 8-ounce candle. In all of the boxes you do get like a free bonus goodie. It's typically awesome. I do have a promo code to share with you guys that will save you $5 off your first box. It works for all of the different subscription plans, so if you're interested, definitely take advantage of that. Vellabox also makes a great gift. Both me and my mom have been getting Vellabox for years and we love it. So it always comes in this yellow box here. So it's always exciting to see this in the mail. So yeah, let's get this open and see what candles we got for January. And I forgot to mention the candles always come in these super cute reusable drawstring bags. So here it is when I open it, and there's always like a little quote or something on top. It says, "The new year stands before us like a chapter in a book waiting to be written. Melody Beatty." So you can actually take this off and you can hang that somewhere or do whatever you want with it if you'd like. I love quotes, especially motivational quotes and stuff, plus it's really pretty. So then we have our 2 candles in these drawstring bags. I think they're really pretty. Can you see the detail in these bags? So I try and repurpose these always. Like I'll put like gifts inside them. I often do giveaways. Stay tuned, there might be a giveaway later. And I might put some stuff like that. It's great for jewelry storage too. And then we have our little bonus gift, which is something new and unique. And then on the bottom we have some paper. So this is different. So there is a code to get 15% off your next retail order at Veilla Candles. So I'm guessing that is the brand of candles we're getting this month. And then the other sheet, this talks about where the candles come from and the scent, the candles itself, like what their fragrance notes are and stuff. And then it'll also talk about where our bonus item comes from. So I was correct, the candles do come from Veilla Candles. That makes sense because we have the coupon code. Veilla Candles is based out of Lincoln, Nebraska. And it says 100% soy wax candles that are hand poured by the Veilla team in Lincoln, Nebraska. Every candle provides a nutritious meal to a child in need across the world. Oh, I love when companies give back. That's amazing. So I will leave their link below along with this coupon code. So there'll be several links and coupon codes down below if you want to take advantage of that. But how about we start with the bigger candle? Ooh, so it says brown sugar and fig, handmade soy candle, 8 ounces. And this is what the label looks like. Cannot wait to smell this one. Oh my God. This might be like the best smelling candle ever. Brown sugar and fig. If only you could smell too. This smells so good, you guys. So it says the fragrance notes are brown sugar, sweet vanilla, and freshly cut figs. It's like the best combination ever. It says an all-time favorite that is both sweet and smooth. This enticingly warm scent creates a soothing atmosphere while making a difference in the world. Again, I love that they give back. That is so amazing. Now let's look at our smaller candle here. Ooh, this sounds good too. This is their pear spice candle. Again, it's handmade soy candle, and this one is 4 ounces. I really like their labels. They're super cute. This smells so good too. Oh, I love candles so much. So the fragrance notes of pear spice are succulent pears and rich spices. This is an original Veilla scent. Pear spice was inspired by home-baked goodness we crave all year while providing a meal to a child who needs it most. So every month I try and decide what candle is my favorite, and it's really hard because they always smell so good. And these both do smell really good, but we do have a winner this month. My favorite one is brown sugar and fig. Oh my god, you guys, it smells so good. I can't wait to burn it. I'm going out to lunch straight after filming this, but when I get home, we are lighting that up. Again, there'll be a 15% off code if you guys want to shop their website, or of course you can get the Vellabox for yourself. But now let's talk about our bonus gift. I think this is super cool. It's a wooden coaster. So this is by Winter Woods Natural Birch Coaster. So this is from Glidden, Wisconsin. I'm loving the Midwest companies today. If you don't know, I currently live in Florida, but I am actually from Illinois. And it says, established in 1976 by a man living in the northern Wisconsin woods where some of nature's most unique plant life exists, over 40 years later, they're still in the business of balancing the natural beauty of this region with the needs of their customers. Awesome! This is a great bonus gift, I think. I'm totally going to use this. I could totally use more coasters. So let's just do a quick recap, and then there's going to be a giveaway in this video. If you do not know, I am sneaking in some giveaways in January throughout my videos as a big thank you to you. And I don't think I mentioned this in the video yet. We recently reached 8,000 subscribers, so thank you guys all so much. But I'll thank you again and go over the details in just a minute. Let's do a recap. So the bags this month are super cute. The candles smell freaking amazing. My favorite, brown sugar and fig. Love it. And pear spice smells great as well. And we got our wooden coaster. So again, if you're interested in Vellabox, make sure you use my code to save $5. And again, that works on all the subscription plans that range from $10 to $30. So you can get your first one for like $5. That's great. So yeah, thank you for unboxing this with me. Now let's talk about a mini giveaway. So today I'm going to be doing a giveaway with this bag and the contents inside it. So I think this is a fun, cute bag. I've gotten it in a subscription box in the past and I haven't gotten any use out of it, so I thought one of you could. So there's like a little tassel here. I think this is so pretty. So now let's see what is inside. By the way, I think some of my other, like one or two of my other giveaways, there's more than that even going on my channel. Watch my recent videos if you haven't. I think they've just ended or are ending today, so I will be picking winners. But the first thing, I actually just got this and I decided I'm gonna give it to one of you guys. This is the Tarte High Performance Naturals Gifted Amazonian Clay Smart Mascara. And this actually goes well with this box. I'm not giving away the candles or anything, by the way. Just the stuff in this. Those candles are all mine. But it has like a wooden case. I think that is super pretty. So one of you will be winning this. I believe this retail value is like $24 or something like that. And then for winter theme, I have some jewelry here. It's like snowflake, earrings, and necklace. I think this would be better for one of you guys because I live in Florida. It's definitely not snowing here, but I know it is in a lot of the other parts of the world, or at least in North America right now. And then I have something pretty unique here. I have a shampoo bar. This is an all-natural shampoo. This is vegan, phosphate-free. You can use it up to 70 washes. It's great for travel and has compostable packaging. So you wet hair, apply the bar, lather, and rinse. So these are becoming more trendy, especially like, you know, with the environmental movement. We're trying to be more waste-free. So this company is actually called Waste-Free Products. So one of you guys will get this, and of course it's cruelty-free and all that good stuff. And then I have here a facial scrub. This is by Be Fine Food Skincare Exfoliating Cleanser with brown sugar, sweet almonds, and oats. And it says, our cleanser exfoliates and removes impurities while naturally balancing your skin's moisture. Brown sugar and almond oats remove excess oil and nourish dry, sensitive skin. Oh, I just dropped the box, but nothing's in it. It's okay. And then the last item here is a soap. This is by Milo, and this is Peppermint Natural Bar Soap. It's made with coconut oil and shea butter, and I think this would be great for wintertime too. Smells great. So yeah, that is everything that is in the giveaway. So we will have the giveaway end in 1 week. And I have to check the date on my phone quick because I don't even know. So today is the 17th. Wow. So the giveaway will end on the 24th. And then I'll pick a winner on the 25th. I'll actually be in Chicago. So don't get mad at me if I'm a little slow at responding or shipping, but I will leave all the details down below. But yeah, we'll have it end on the 24th. I'll pick a winner on the 25th. It's really easy to enter all of my giveaways. Number one rule, you have to be a subscriber, like this video, and leave a comment down below, or you can leave as many comments as you like. So what I will do when I pick a winner on the 25th, I'll use a random comment generator, and when I generate a comment, I will make sure that commenter followed all the rules, so they were a subscriber and liked the video. And then I will pin the winner's comment and I will reply them, and the winner will have 48 hours to get back to me. If I don't hear back within 48 hours, I will select another winner. So yeah, all that information will be down below. And I also just asked to make sure you guys watch this whole video. If you want, share it with your friends and family. The more the merrier. But yeah, it's a big thank you to you guys. Thank you for 8,000 subscribers. That's crazy. I love each and every one of you. You guys are the best. And yeah, thank you for being here today. I hope you're having a great one, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.